Morning students. Now take out your GK book, class 4th, chapter number 6. Neighboring countries of India. The countries that share borders and are close to one another geographically are called neighboring countries. Means you all know about our neighbor. Neighbor are those who live nearby us. Similarly, countries, states also have their neighboring countries. So neighboring countries have a speciality that it has the same borders. They share our borders. Now here is, so look at this map. In this map is this our India's border. Okay now. So and these are the our neighboring countries with other colors. First this Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. These are our neighboring countries. So name the neighboring countries of India. So you have to fill these names from this map. Okay. So write the correct spellings from this map. Now choose the correct answer. First is the official language of Bangladesh is. So what we know the official language of Bangladesh is. Here are given 4 options. The correct answer is Bengali. Number 2, dash is the currency of China. So answer is yuan. You have to write this here and put tick also in front of this correct answer. Number 3, Islamabad is the capital of dash, Pakistan. Okay, Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Number 4, India's southern neighboring country is dash, Sri Lanka. Okay. Now 5, Bangladesh and dash are northeastern neighboring countries of India. So correct answer is Myanmar. Okay. Now question number B, match the following countries with their flags. Column 1 given their country's name and column 2 means column 2nd here given their flags. So we have to match them. So Bangladesh, first number answer is this flag belongs to Bangladesh. Now number 2, China. China's this. Okay. So this flag belongs to China. So answer is D. Bhutan. Bhutan is this. A number. Answer is the correct answer. Okay. This flag is belong to Bhutan. Nepal. Nepal's flag is this. B number. Myanmar. Myanmar's flag is this. C number. Okay, so you have to match this all correctly. You have to write all these countries' name and in front of that you have to draw their flags. This is your homework. And this also the neighboring countries also write these names in your copies and learn all the names and their spellings. Okay. Now chapter number 7. The chapter number 7 is cities on river banks. India is the land of rivers. It comprises a network of main rivers and their tributaries and distributaries. River in India can be divided into 2 major systems. Means in India there are so many rivers. It makes a network of main river to its tributaries and distributaries. Means other rivers goes from one main river. There are 2 rivers system. So first is the Himalayas river system and second is the peninsular river system. So the Himalayas river system, which is further divided into Ganga river system, second Indus river system, and C Brahmaputra river system. So Himalayas river system means in this river system the river flows from Himalaya, then it is divided in many others. Okay, so and now second, the peninsular river system comprises river like the Godavari basin, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Tapti. Okay, these rivers are in peninsular river system. So peninsular river system means where, as in this peninsular system, the main source of water in river is ocean, as they flowing near the coastal areas. Okay, now in ancient time rivers were the main source of water and transport. That is why many historical cities were established near them. Match the city names with the river on which they are located. Means this side column 1 they gave all the cities name, and column 2 they gave all the rivers names. So we have to match them, which river come in which city. So first is Kolkata. So Kolkata matching is D, Hooghly. Varanasi, F, Ganga. Number 3, Tiruchirappalli. Answer is Kaveri, A number. Fourth, Lucknow. So answer is Gomti, I. Cuttack, fifth answer is C, Mahanadi. 6, Nasik, H, Godavari. Number 7, Surat, B, Tapti. 8, Delhi, G, Yamuna. 9, Ahmedabad, J, Sabarmati. 10, Guwahati, E, Brahmaputra. Okay, so I give you these answers and you have to match correct and learn. So this is your homework. So here are given some facts you have to learn and learn. The Ganga is the longest and most holiest river in India. We know this thing. All of you know? Yes, Ganga हमारी एक पूजनीय रिवर है और एक बहुत बड़ी लंबी रिवर है. Now number 2, Allahabad is known as Sangam or Triveni, where 3 rivers Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati meet. Okay, so you have to read and learn also, and you have to study at home. Okay, now thank you.